Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY heart sensor using an Arduino, a pulse sensor and just a couple of wires. This is called the pulse sensor and it has three basic functionality. One, it has a light emitting diode, LED, it has a photodiode and it has circuitry for noise cancellation and the amplification process. So on the PCB side, there are three leads, one to the signal, analog signal in, the ground, and VCC. The setup is very simple. I'm just going to be directly connecting the three connections to the three leads. And I'm going to check the corresponding connections that I have to make it to the Arduino. So that's analog 0, 5 volt and the ground connection. The code required for the DIY heart rate monitor is an example code of a library called Pulse Sensor Playground. We're going to use one of the example codes, getting BPM to monitor. All you have to do is connect the Arduino to the laptop and you should be good to go. To download the library, go to Tools, Manage Libraries, search for Pulse Sensor Playground. And install the latest version. Since I've already installed it, it's showing me installed. Close the dialog box, restart the Arduino sketch, and after you've installed the library, go to File, Examples, Pulse Sensor Playground. And for this tutorial, we'll be using getting BPM to monitor sketch. Click on it, open it, and upload the code. Open the serial monitor, and now you should be able to see your heart rate. There you go. By the way, this sensor is not to be used for any kind of medical application, and this is just a hobby grade hardware. It's pretty cheap and it's not the most accurate sensor in the world. In the next video, we're going to show you how to stream the BPM data over the internet so that you'll be able to access it from anywhere around the world. You'll be able to find all the paths shown in the video at robocraze.com. Thanks for watching.